Hello, dear student. Welcome in our online session. I am Assistant Professor M. Kutwal, Department of Agronomy. Today we discuss chapter number first in Fundamentals of Agronomy second. In that we discuss definition of irrigation and water management, its objective and role of water in plant. And that what is meant by the irrigation? Irrigation is defined as the artificial application of water to the soil for purpose of crop growth and crop production in supplement to rainfall and groundwater contribution. Then water management. Water management is the activity of planning, developing, distributing and optimum use of water resources under defined water policies and regulations. It includes management of water, seed treatment and drinking water, industrial water, sewage or wastewater, management of water resources, management of flood protection, management of irrigation and management of water table. Then what are the objectives of irrigation? Objectives of irrigation: first, to supply water to soil for providing moisture essential for the plant growth. Second, to survive the crop during soil moisture shortage for short duration. Third, to cool the soil and atmosphere for making the environment more favorable for plant growth. Fourth, to each out or dilute salt in the soil, to soften hard clod or tillage pan, to facilitate seedbed preparation. These are the number of different 5 objectives of irrigation. Then we discuss importance of irrigation management. First, water is essential not only to meet agriculture needs but also for industrial purpose, power generation, livestock maintenance, rural and domestic needs, etc. But the resource is limited and cannot be created as we require. Hence, irrigation management is very important to the development of nation through proper management of water resources for the purpose of crop production and other activities such as industrialization, power generation, etc., which in turn provides employment opportunities and good living conditions of the peoples. These are the 2 different importance of irrigation management. Then we discuss role of water in plant. Role of water in plant and crop production can be grouped as first, physiological importance. So, the plant system itself contains about 90% of water. Amount of water varies in different parts of plant as follow. First, physiological role of water. It play an important role in respiration and transpiration. It plays important role in photosynthesis also. Second, it activate germination and play important role in plant metabolism for vegetative and reproductive growth. Third, it serves as a solvent in soil for the plant nutrients. Fourth, it also acts as a carrier of plant nutrients from soil to plant system. Fifth, it maintains plant temperature through transpiration. Sixth, it helps to keep the plant erect and maintaining plant's turgidity. Seventh, it helps to transport metabolites from source to sink. These are the physiological importance of water or physiological roles of water. Then we discuss the ecological importance or roles of water. First, water helps to maintain soil temperature. Second, water helps to maintain salt balance in soil. Third, it reduces salinity and alkalinity. Fourth, it influences weed growth. Then also, fifth one, water influence atmospheric weather. Sixth one, helps the beneficial microorganisms. Seventh, water influence the pest and diseases. Eight, it supports human and animal life. It helps for land preparation like plowing, puddling, etc. 10th, it is help to increase the efficiency of cultural operations like weeding, fertilizer application, etc. by providing optimum condition. These are the ecological importance or role of water. Thank you. I hope this video are useful to you to improve your knowledge in this chapter. If you like this video, you can like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel for the upcoming this irrigation water management videos.